first winner. Drumroll again. Mark Howell Paul. So here's the photo that Mark took. And here's what Mark's character is going to look like in the book.
So, I'm pleased to say that picture that I posted up, as you saw, won Zach King's My Magical Selfie. And I'm going to teach you how I did that. When creating this effect, a few things are very important. Firstly, you need to keep your camera still, lock it down in a position where it cannot move. So I'm using my phone and I have my mic stand. So I'm locking my phone down on the mic stand. And number two, it is important that the secondary character does not cross this invisible line. If you're doing a video, that is. But if you're doing a picture, it would be easier to cut out. But if you're doing a video, you don't want to cross this invisible line in the middle. So let's go. You take your two pictures. What is really good about my phone is that it's voice activated, so I don't have to worry about someone taking the picture for me. I can take my first picture here and I can move to this side and say cheese, and the picture would take. So it's simple for me. But if not, then you'll have to get someone to take the pictures for you and make sure that they don't move the camera by when they press the button. So let's go into the computer. So this is the first picture that I took, and this is the second picture that I took. Now I opened it up in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's what I use for most of my tutorials, for those who are new, PowerPoint and Movie Maker. So I'm going to line up the pictures. I want to get them in the middle of the screen, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to crop. Voila, it's that simple. Now, if by some reason this one managed to cross the invisible line in the middle, what you can do if it's a picture, and I really appreciate PowerPoint for this, is you can go into the Format tab and click Remove Background, and you're able to select the areas you want to keep, the areas you want to remove. So it's quite useful. But in this one, I just took a simple picture. Obviously, for the one that I used for Zach King's competition, I used that the remove background feature because there was more than one of me in that picture. There was a group of me. So it's quite a really simple effect that you can use to shock your friends, you know, to prank your friends even. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you're new here, make sure and click that subscribe button to see more cool tutorials like the one you just saw.